Tadjahao ni hao, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to cook stir-fried bean sprout Chinese recipe. Let's begin. Our ingredients are bean sprout, 1/2 kilogram, minced garlic, sliced carrots and spring onion. So we're going to saute the garlic first until golden brown. Put our bean sprout and carrots. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Mix it well. Turn on your fire on high heat. Add our spring onion. Mix it again for 10 seconds. Add 1/2 teaspoon of chicken powder. Mix it again for another 10 seconds and add a sesame oil, about 1 teaspoon. Mix again and done. Don't overcook your bean sprout. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like our recipe for today. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. God bless. Bye.